मांडवीन जावपी प्रदूषण दिसान दीस वाडत आसा, मात ह्या प्रदूषणाचेर नियंत्रण हाडप वा प्रदूषण करप्यांचेर कारवाय करपा बाबतींत राज्य सरकार गंभीर ना. मांडवीत आशिल्ले कॅसिनोक लागून दर्यांत प्लास्टीक कोयर तशेंच हेर तरेच्या कोयराचें प्रदूषण पळोवपाक मेळटा. सिवरेज उदकांत मिक्स जाल्ल्या कारणान इकोलाय बॅक्टेरिया लेगीत उदकांत वाडल्यात. हे सगळें कॅसिनोक लागून जाता. जानेरांत जाल्ल्या अधिवेशना वेळार आमदार आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सान सभाघराच्या लक्षांत हाडून दिल्ले, मात अजूनय हो प्रश्न सरकारान सुटावो केल्लो ना.
The Mandovi is been polluted by casino boats also. He has forgotten about it. He is not talking about the casino boats. Casino boats are also destroying the Mandovi. All pollution is done by the casino boats. Nobody is paying attention to them. Quite willfully, everybody is talking about Mandovi. This is also part of the pollution that is taking place in the Mandovi, because Mandovi is feeding the Mandovi. That water also, suppose we want to desalinate also, we will have no water. All water will be having E. coli. Yesterday, our learned environment minister also said that forget in Kandoli, there is E. coli in the water. E. coli is also a major disaster. Because sir, all this we have to see that we pay attention. Yes. We want the government, we are with the government to see that our interests are protected. We'll strongly fight. And I will be there with the government to see that any mistakes I will continue my work of getting things to be in this. Somehow I think I call upon the irrigation minister also, WRD, to pay attention, focus on it.